In this video, I'll show you how you can find and copy the Decal ID on Roblox. First, you need to head over to roblox.com, log into your account and click on Create. After that, head over to the store, click on Decals. In here, you just want to choose whatever one you want to find the ID of. So let's just do this one. From in here, up in the URL, you should see some numbers right after asset. Now these numbers will be the ID code. So select them, copy, right click and copy or Control C, and now you have them copied. Then you can paste or Control V and you have the ID. So that's basically how it works, guys. It's really simple and super easy. So I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.